I got this funny mask which I hate it honestly. So now all I have to do is just to spin around the vehicle, because you see it's a low bridge there, so it's impossible to go anywhere anyway. So now I just have to reverse. Someone is calling in the same time, which is driving me nuts. I don't know who's fucking calling, but I can't answer, mate. Yeah? Hope. Hi, mate. Welcome aboard. Yeah, sorry, mate.
No, it's okay.
Those guys are really friendly, I can say.
Yeah, always.
They don't let me out, mate. It's just...
Right, so we need to get where that Audi is there.
Where is that
Audi?
Audi? So...
We're going to have to turn left here.
So...
And we're gonna loop back round.
Left here and then
So
the lane left.
Follow this.
Yeah.
There'll be a roundabout at the bottom there.
Yeah, no problem, mate.
Around the roundabout,
Yeah,
back up.
no problem.
And it's pretty simple after that. It'll be alright.
It's a pleasure that I have to deliver for this company. Like records. I never deliver to such a place. So.
You never do like records?
Yeah, never. So.
That's all good.
Because I'm an agency driver. Sometimes I'm getting this. Sometimes I'm getting something else.
Stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. That's fair enough.
So.
Always like working.
As long as the customer is happy, I'm happy.
Oh, I'm always happy, man.
Yeah.
As long as my deliveries turn up, I'm always happy.
Yeah.
I'm all good.
Well, I could have been much earlier than this, but.
It's okay, man. The guys in the warehouse won't mind.
Yeah.
It's all good. It's all good.
20 miles an hour, 30 miles an hour is just... It is madness around here, honestly.
It's
just
very slow, yeah. Lots of different speed limits, like I say, lots of bus lanes.
Yeah.
Got to keep you on your toes, man.
Yeah.
I'm guessing.
When you look on the map, it's a tiny place, but actually it's quite big place.
It's very dense,
Yeah,
lots of roads, lots of little side streets.
Managed to do it. It's so much easier when I got someone with me that knows exactly where I have to go.
That's why I said I'd come and jump in. It's easier than me trying to show you on the map and you come back 5 minutes later and you're still lost. So you know, it's just a bit easier. If we turn off following this white van here, take the left off here.
Here, yeah?
Yeah.
Then we got this 20 miles an hour restriction. Funny.
Yes, because that's a college. College and a school, so they put a 20 mile an hour limit down here. No one actually does 20 mile down here. Everybody does.
I can see that, but you never know. Like.
Oh, especially when you're driving for a business as well.
Yeah.
Oh.
Sorry, mate.
No, that's okay. You stuck to right off.
I hate wearing this mask. It just drives me nuts. All the time.
I'm used to it now. I've been doing it for so long.
Yeah. It's like it's never finished, isn't it? It's like
every time you think it's going to end, it comes back.
They said something about vaccine. Now he's saying about
it's a new strain.
It's a new strain. It's bullshit.
It just goes on and on.
Yeah.
We're going to be doing this next year as well. But yeah, straight down here, not right like you did before.
I was looking round and round and round, but yeah.
Trying to figure it out.
Yeah.
It doesn't help they put all this construction work down in here because it's changed everything. But we're going to go straight over, follow that around, and you'll see it will bring us up just down there, and then we're going to turn left onto the dual carriageway and we'll pretty much be at the yard.
It's all about this, you see, 13, and that bridge is like 8 or 9. Yeah, it's impossible.
You wouldn't believe the number of lorries I've seen stuck under there as well, because people think they can make it.
Probably not even with a Luton van to be done. I don't know. It just
you can get a high side sprinter.
A high side,
high side sprinter you can get under there, but anything bigger than that's going to get stuck, and does get stuck very often.
Definitely.
I say at least once a month they have to drag a lorry out from under there because the driver thinks he can make it,
but
and they
actually,
get wedged.
In my opinion, better to be safe rather than rush about and then if you damage that bridge, it's gonna cost you probably.
They have actually got to do construction work for that bridge next year because it's been damaged so many times.
Wow! So
they've got to close that road one lane at a time.
Yeah.
And do some construction work on it because it's a dual carriageway that runs over the top, and buses use that bridge, so it needs to be strong.
Just amazing.
Follow this bus round to the right here where he's going, and you're going to be turning left at these traffic lights.
Turning left?
Yep. Clear behind.
Just someone which
it's that silver Nissan, isn't it?
Yeah.
He's hung back a bit now, he's let you out. So let's turn left where the bus is just going now. And then we're going to be taking a quick right in a minute. We'll be at the yard.
Yeah. Now I see. Yeah. So I was all here. I was looking to this construction site because I was not sure what it's all about. I've seen records and I see maybe something to do with music or movies or something. But then I see construction site. Then I seen the name on the other side. Nah, must be on the other.
Our yard's right. You see where the scaffolding is there?
Yeah.
Right on the left-hand corner there. That's my yard. That's where we go. But yeah, unless you know what you're looking for, it's not an obvious like record store delivery entrance.
It's not any name or anything. It's just deliveries P1, P2. That's the only thing.
It looks more like a car park and a construction site. Yeah. We're good.
Yeah.
Now you want to get into this right lane.
Right turn. Company CLF.
CLF, is it packaging?
Yeah.
We have stuff off CLF all the time because we run our.
I imagine so many boxes.
Business downstairs.
Yeah.
They use all CLF's packaging.
I see.
So we've used so much packaging over Christmas.
So
I'm not surprised you're bringing us more.
Yeah. Especially if it's any sale or anything.
Yeah, we got January sale starts. I think tomorrow actually.
I can imagine it's gonna be.
I think our January sale starts tomorrow.
Loads.
Yeah. Go right here, and then you see that right hand turn there?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going straight in there, mate. Where that gate's open, where the TNT wagon is.
TNT.
We're going straight in there. Do you want to reverse it in? It's completely up to you.
Well,
if you curtain side, the lad's going to
it's only here. It's okay. I will just reverse out, no problem. So.
There we go, Bez is on the forklift.
So probably I'll just have to wait for them to empty this trailer on it.
Oh, they'll be loading that. They load that all day for pickup at end of day.
Yeah, so I'll just
what they'll probably do is stop loading that and sort it out. I'll jump out and have a word with
no problem. Thank you so much, mate.
That's okay, man, no problem.